the standard unit, the formula of BMI is 703 times W over H squared, where W is the weight in pounds and H is the height in inches. There are 4 obesity classifications. A person with a BMI below 18.5 is considered underweight. BMI 18.5 to 24.9 is normal. BMI 25 to 29.9 is overweight. Lastly, a person with a BMI of 30 and above is obese. To develop an octave program code for this case study, the command language for program control flow was used and applied. Selection with the command code if else if and. The command was used for altering the flow of control when a choice needs to be made between 2 or more actions. The choices are based on the range of BMI values. After the BMI value has been chosen in the if else if and command, the next step is to display the obesity classification. The control structure loop with the command code while and also was applied. Loop is a control structure that causes a set of statements to be executed repeatedly. The program will run till the input weight and height is satisfied. If the value of the input is invalid, while command will be run till the user inputs the valid weight and height. Other than that, while also be used to either run the program again or end the program. In this case study, the obesity classifications needs to be determined for 2 individuals. Hence, the program is to be run 2 times and end it.
When the program start running, the program declare the variable of I is equal to 1. After that, it will enter the while loop. While I is equal to 1, the program will ask user to input their weight and height. After that, it will enter the while weight is less than 0 or height is less than 0. If it is true, at the command window will display you have entered an invalid value. Please input the right value. Then the user will input the right value of their weight and height. If it is false, if weight is greater than 0 or height is greater than 0, which is false, the program will continue to calculate the BMI based on this formula. After that, it will enter if BMI is less than 18.5. Then, at the command window will display underweight. If false, BMI greater and equal to 18.5 and BMI less and equal 24.9. At command window will display normal. If false, if BMI greater and equal to 25 and BMI less and equal to 29.9, it will display overweight. If false, if BMI is greater than 30, it will display obese. After the program display underweight, normal, overweight, or obese, the program will ask the user either to run again or exit. If user want to run again, user will input 1. If user to exit, user will input 0. If user input 1, it will continue to run. If user input 0, which is I is not equal to 1, so the program will end.
So now I will show the coding. Firstly, we create the coding like this and include the formula of BMI. Use a loop method to solve this problem to classify each categories. Use else if and run. After that, given the question A, a person 6 feet 2 in tall with a weight of 180 pounds, so we just put the number, and then 74 for the question A. So we get the value 23.1. And we run again for the next question. B. A person 5 feet 1 in tall with a weight of 150 pounds. So 150, 61. The answer is 28.3. Classify you as overweight. So the first question A, 23.1, classify you as a normal. And question B, the answer is 28.3, classify you as overweight. Then we exit. That's all. Thank you.